Just we need to reboot system. You just want to do it how I do it usually, just restart. Oh, Linux. Oh, Windows, are you seriously? You want to update? I'm record these guys already a few hours because these Windows always make problem. Guys, just to be honest, I try to record this video the whole day, but I always have some problem with this, the best operation system in the world. Okay, if there are no choice for you, I know, just let's use Windows. Please, Windows. It stopped working, guys. I will try to figure out what problem. Before we start, it will be the ultimate video how to install Ruby on your Windows machine, because I will show you not only how to install Ruby, but also how to run your Ruby code. Because I watch video, other people made that, they just show you how to install Ruby, but oh my gosh, how to run it? Okay, how to use it? And I will show you today. Hello friends, my name is Artem, and today I will show you how to install Ruby on your Windows machine. All commands that I will use today you can find on the description. Also their time codes, you can go to specific part of video. And also, please, if you got any trouble, any issue during process, like when you try to follow instruction and something wrong, let me know on the comment, because the first part of this video, 50 seconds, it's my yesterday. As you can see, I changed my clothes because I spent the whole day yesterday to figure out why it doesn't work. I spent the whole day, and I don't want that you also spend the whole day. I try to prevent this problem with this video, but if you still have a problem, just leave a comment. Maybe someone knows how to help you and they reply, or maybe you know how to help someone. Just go to the comments and please check. Okay, let's start. Today we'll install Ruby on your Windows machine, but we will not use Ruby installer, okay? Installer, how it's here, this one, Ruby installer. Why we will not use it? Because if you wanna do real stuff, if you wanna be a programmer, if you have Windows machine and you don't have any chance to switch to Mac OS or Linux, or you don't want Ruby installer, still not the good idea. Because when you try to do real stuff using some frameworks like Ruby on Rails, Sinatra, Rhoda, Bridgetown, Jakely, etc., it will work fine sometimes, but sometimes it stops working because there are some dependencies on Windows that gems rely. Not only these big gems, even other gems that native for Ruby. Okay, just don't use it, please. If someone recommend you to use Ruby installer, no, don't follow. It's not recommended way to use your Windows machine. Sorry, to install Ruby on your Windows machine. Just if we will go to Rails guide install, here, install Ruby on Rails guide. Here we can find, choose your operation system. Here, install Ruby on Windows. Okay, and the Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, will provide the best experience for Ruby on Rails developer on Windows. Okay, it runs Ubuntu inside of Windows, which allow you to work in environment that is close to what your server will run in production. Okay, we'll use this way, but I will modify comments just cause here Ubuntu 24.04, this is still valid version of Ubuntu, but in April 2026 their new version, also LTS version, long-term support 26. And instead of Ubuntu 24, I will install Ubuntu 26, because right now it's July 2026, and I want to make this guide updated for a few years forward. And this guide, if you watch it in 2027, 2028, I think it's still valid. But if it's not valid, I just delete this video. I just close it and create new one. And if you see this video, it's still valid, okay? Let's follow. Open PowerShell or Windows command prompt and run. Okay, just open start here, PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and we need to copy paste this comment. Again, all comments on the description of this video, but instead of 24, I want to use 26. Okay, yes, press return, yes, and right now it's install Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, not Ubuntu yet. No, it just installed this program that should work on your system to run Linux. But there are some gap that not described here, undescribed here. They just told you open PowerShell and run this command. But the problem here that you need to turn on some features on your machine. First, go to Task Manager. I use Task Manager because I found it easier. Okay, performance. How I open it so fast, you can use hotkey or just right click on the panel here and Task Manager. And in CPU, you can find virtualization enabled. Okay, virtualization should enable. If virtualization doesn't work, if they're disabled, looking for in the internet how to turn on virtualization on your machine, because it should work. If you want to use WSL, okay, if you want to install it. Next, you need Windows 10 or 11, of course, but I'm not sure that someone used Windows 7 yet. Second part, we need to go to features here. Turn Windows features on or off. Just you can type features like that. Click here. Okay. Again, I already ran this command, but don't restart your system yet. Okay. Go to Windows features here, and we need to turn on Windows Hypervisor Platform, okay, Virtual Machine Platform, and also we need Windows Subsystem for Linux. These three: Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay. Now, system will search for required files and also will ask to restart your computer, and yeah, it's a time to restart. Let's see. Where is it? Hey, yeah. Windows complete the required change. Restart now. Restart. Okay, our system is restarted. Just open browser and go again to Rails guide. No. Go to my video and see the comments on the description. Okay, Rails guide install. When we ran this command, it's not install Ubuntu yet. It's only install WSL. Okay, it's install only WSL, and I just want to run this command again to install the Ubuntu. What we want here, I just type it here, enter, and downloading start. For this session, no need restart your system, no more. It's only will ask you to create account for your Ubuntu, and please do it. When you will create a password here, it will show you how many symbols do you use, yeah? But in real using, it never show you. Just like looking at Artem, and here password, new password. It looks like it nothing happened. Where's my numbers? Where's my letters? But actually it's here. It just a security way. Like again, when you type your password, it's already there. Just it's invisible. Just when you type it, press return, enter, enter, and voila, you have an Ubuntu. Cool. Again, new password and retry password. Every time when you will need to prompt your password, you will not see your password, but it's fine. It work. It should be like that. Just when you finish, press enter. Okay, I just close it. And now we need to run the following command. Why I close my terminal? Because I want to show you how to open it. Just here, runs your start, and you have Ubuntu 26.04 because we install it with this name. Or if you don't have it here, just type Ubuntu on your searcher, and Windows searcher will show you Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, just open it, and now we can run this command. But I want to describe you what command does. What each command do. Okay, sudo apt update list of links for repository where are new version of dependencies of programs that we will install. Sudo, this is a way to do something with like root privilege, super user, okay, like admin. Okay. Sudo apt install some programs, and we will install these dependencies to run Ruby. Next, we will install Mise version manager to manage version of programming languages that you have on your machine. Again, Mise not only for Ruby, you can manage any language that you need, but we will use now for Mise. And here you can after that install Ruby globally with Mise, and as you can see here, Ruby 3, we will install Ruby 4, but you also can use Mise for install the specific version of language. Like for instance, let's go, I will show you, Ruby Lang, yeah? If you open Ruby programming language website, there are last version C4.05, even specific version we can install. It's neat for some project. For some project, it's need a specific version of language. Okay, just copy from video description, and in my case, I just need to change here to 4. I press return, password. Here it show password, but usually it will not show you. It's strange, guys. Okay, it start. Now it's update. And later it will ask you to confirm that you want to install. Okay, like here, continue. If you see the capital letter Y, it means, or N, it means when you press return, it by default will choose. If it's smaller, if it's lowercase, you need to specify letter. Y it's yes, N it's no. Okay, I will specify now, but actually I can do it without. Like return, and it just use, because the capital letters show you what will choose by default if you will press return. And right now, all dependencies that we need to use will install, or sorry, will download and install to your system. Okay, and the process is here. Just let's wait. I will make coffee. You also can do it if you wanna. Or any drink that you like. Coffee, tea, water. I like water. Warm water is fine. Yeah, I'm a strange guy. I know some people doesn't like water. Oh, we just need to wait. Finally, it's installed Ruby. Let's see. Let's test. We just need to type Ruby version. Huh? Ruby. Well, my dash V. Okay. Here we have a Ruby version that we need. And that's it! Woohoo! We install Ruby to your machine! Bye bye! No. No, wait. Wait, please, wait. There a problem. Almost all videos that I watch stop here. But how to use this Ruby? Okay, I have it installed, but how to use? And I will show you how to use. First, if you are a professional nerd, you can use it. I can use it. I like it. Just I want to make fun. Okay, you can just use it here or over there. No, literally, just you can create any file like Dutch, like hello world.rb, world.rb. Okay. Ls, here we have a file, okay, and even we can do like this, like boots hello world, okay, and we will write it to hello world RB. Oh, okay, of course our tab. I forget. It's need echo. Ouch. Like that. Echo boots, okay, ls. We can run cat hello world. Here we have these. It's interesting, yeah, because it's need to double time. It doesn't want to show you. Oh, okay, guys. I did it so long time ago. Let's try now. Yeah, now it works. Put hello world. After that, we can do Ruby and just run name of our app like Ruby hello world. It worked. Or we can do a simple calculator, but it's hard, you know, like, I mean, that of course you can do it, yeah, but why what I need to do next? I will show you what we will do. Okay, here, open your browser and go to VS Code. Okay, VS Code, Visual Studio Code. We will install Visual Studio Code and I will show you how to set up this Visual Studio Code to start do your Ruby program. But I will not show you how to do complete setup. No, I just will show you how to start. Okay, just download for Windows, and when it's finished, you need to run the installer. Okay, just here, run installer. Yes, accept, next. Here, create desktop icon, you can do it. And also click here, add open with code, because when you right button for the file or for the folder, it will show you, like, do you want to open it in VS Code? Yeah, it's so cool, it's helpful. Registered code, add the path, yes, we need it. Next, install, and just wait. Actually, I use RubyMine because I really like RubyMine. It works so good. It makes my developer life easier. I am happier. I enjoy my work because I use RubyMine, and RubyMine is so powerful. But for the first step, I am not recommend you to use RubyMine right now because it's a little bit advanced. And again, I don't want to say that Visual Studio Code it's dumb, simple, or it's weak. No. People use Visual Studio Code for professional development, but it's easier to start just because Visual Studio Code made by Microsoft. WSL that we will use right now made by Microsoft, and it works so tight. Okay, the integration here it's a little bit more tricky, and I don't want to show you how to do it right now. Okay, just launch Visual Studio Code. Okay, and after that you need to install some small it's not small, but you need to install plugin. Okay, I want to close my terminal here. Okay. Oh, it's already run. No, it's not run. Oh, sorry guys. I tried to reinstall but it's Microsoft. If I delete my Visual Studio Code, it means that I want to delete everything, even my settings. Oh guys, sorry. It just show my settings again. I tried to make this video to show you how to use like it's never used before, but oh my gosh. Just a second, I will delete everything here. Whew. I delete cached file on app data folder, and now it looks like you should look if you first install it. Okay, welcome to VS Code. It asks you to sign in. Just sign in because you want to save your settings, but right now I don't want to. I just continue without. Team, okay, it's fine. Build with AI agent later. No need to do AI right now. Get started. Do use AI. Okay, cool. This is Visual Studio Code. And right now, you can't run your Ruby code in your system yet. If you will create a file, you will do something, it doesn't work. But how to do it? Go to left side here, we have extension, Ctrl-Shift-X, you can run here. And why it's installed something already here? I delete my cache. I even sign out from... Okay guys, just, sorry, I will show you as it is, okay? Just you need to find here, WSL, okay? WSL, here, this one, and just install it, okay? It will, button here to install WSL. And also install run your code, because it will easier to run your code. This one, just look on it, code runner, okay? This icon, this developer, like route these counts of number of records. That's it. It's what you need. No, nothing more. Okay, next, how to run your code. Actually, just open your Ubuntu again, and I will show you how it works. It works so tight. Okay, just you run your Ubuntu here, and right now, just a few comments that you need to know. ls, it's list, show the files and folders here. Okay. rm, it's delete. rm, like hello world, it's delete. Again, how I just autofill it, I press tab. Okay, if you use up arrow, it will show some comments that you used before. Down and up, you can go here. If you type clear, it's clear your terminal. Okay, next, we need to create a folder, mkdir. Oh yeah, about RAM. You can't delete with these command folders. It's another command for delete folders, but don't worry about it. Just create folder like Ruby. Okay, enter ls. Here we have a folder, and change directory cd Ruby like that. Okay. Ouch. Again, I just type a first few letters, press tab, and it's autofill. Return. Right now we are here, as you can see. This is where we now. This tilde means home page for your user, and this is folder where you are right now. Just type code dot. Dot, it means here. Enter. And voila. It's installing VS Code Server for Linux. And open VS Code in your Windows machine, but code will run inside Ubuntu, okay? But there one important thing. Those extension that I ask you to install, yes, like Code Runner. On WSL it's already turned on, but Code Runner is disabled yet. You need to go again for extensions and here enable workspace. Bam. Trust folder. Bam. Now we have it. Install. Fine. How to do it? How to run something? Oh, just here. Look on it. Click here. New file. I don't know yet. Hello world.rb. RB, it means Ruby. And now we can do puts hello world. And how to run our code? Oh, just press run code button here. It appears there because we install Code Runner, okay? Without Code Runner, there are no button like that. Click here and what? Click here and oh, I didn't save it. Of course, I didn't save. Control S. How I know that I didn't save? It's a dot here. Yeah, in my settings I use autosave and automatically save, but by default it needs to save. Okay, click here and hello world. That's it. Now you know how to run your Ruby code. Sorry, now you know how to install Ruby on your Windows machine via WSL. You know how to install code editor. You know how to run your Ruby code. Super! Just keep going. And one more thing. Here in Ruby guide, yes, you can install Rails. You can just do it. Yes, copy, and you can open your terminal. Again, yes, just type here Ubuntu, blah, blah, and copy paste. You can install Rails, you can use Rails, but Rails likes CLI commands. Like to run your server, you need to do some commands here. CLI command line interface. I mean that you need to run. And you can use terminal here, okay? Just this terminal by default open in your folder where you right now. And you can type here. Even these commands like gem install Rails, it will install Rails on your machine. Yeah, like that. Just it's need a little bit more time because it's install a lot of dependencies also that we need. Okay. It's a bonus. We install Rails, okay? Coffee. I like coffee because coffee helped me work more that I could work without coffee. Just I'm workaholic, you know. Okay, it's install Rails. Now, again, just a terminal here. Oh, but how to open my terminal if it's closed? Here, terminal up. Click new terminal. Okay, just let's do it. Rails new demo. Okay, it will create a new project demo here. And again, this one, it's actual folders inside your Ubuntu machine, okay? Again, if I open this Ubuntu machine now, and if I go to folder, yeah, remember we create Ruby folder here. This folder is also there. Demo, demo, hello world, hello world. And if I delete, again, if I delete something from here, hello world, it also disappears there. Okay, if I create something here, again, hello world.rb, it also appear here. Just, of course, it work because it's just VS Code, watch to your Ubuntu, to your Linux, okay? Now we need to cd change directory to demo. It's a folder with our files, with our Rails project. It's here, yeah. And you need to run bean dev to start your local development server. Just press Ctrl, hold it, left button click for this address, and woohoo! It's run. We even ran Rails and our local server, and it's so cool. Just you can copy this URL and paste to the browser. I found it's much better here. Okay, you can click to go to Rails, and also how to stop it. Just Ctrl C. Remember, Ctrl C every time. Just stop the execution. If it doesn't stop execution, maybe it's not execute, just it's something else. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments.